Okay, so good evening, everybody. So let us start today's session. Before uh, we start the today's session, I want to welcome everybody to this new Python full stack batch, full stack training plus internship batch that we are starting from today. Okay, so this is only online batch. Okay, and before we start today's session, I would like to give a little bit of information, okay, related to life tech. Okay. So those people who are associated with life tech for the past many years, so they know what life tech is, what kind of services we provide here. Okay. So those who are new to life tech, so let me give a little bit information related to life tech. So life tech, we started this organization so almost 22 years back. And till now, we have trained and placed almost 1 lakh students on different technologies like Python full stack, Java full stack, okay, and data science, AI, testing, okay, no? And Venkat sir, he's the founder of LiveTech company, okay. And here, these are the training plus internship programs, courses that we provide: full stack Python, full stack Java, data science, DevOps, AI, cybersecurity, and all, okay. And yeah, so these are the apart from trainings. So these are the other activities that will be provided. Resume preparation, classroom trainings is not there for this batch. Interview preparation, okay, placement assistance and completion certificate, everything will be provided. Okay, and these are the few company names, IT company names that we have tie-ups with. So we have like almost 1,000 companies that we have tie-up with. But if you want to know the complete list, you can just check our website, livetech.in. So you can just go to placements and click on recruitment partners. Okay. And here, if you go a little bit down, so you'll see all the list of IT companies that we have tie-ups with. So here we have highlighted only 100 companies. So 1,000 company names we cannot put here, right? Okay. Fine. So then, so these are the few photos of the previous batch students who got placed. Okay. And just for informations or classrooms and buildings, so they look like this. Though we do not have like offline now, so all the batches are going online. But our classrooms, they look like this. And we are situated in Hyderabad, Amirpet area. Okay, no? So this is little bit of information related to lab tech. And before we proceed further, so I want to give a little bit of information from my side also. My name is Afroz Khan, and I'm the Python trainer here at LiveTech. So I've got total 20 years of IT experience. Okay, so previously I have worked companies like Infosys, HCL. So at that time I was taking trainings as part-time. Okay, so now I'm working for other company. So other timings I'll be working for that company, and remaining timings I'll be taking trainings. Okay, fine. So that is on my side, and I can see almost some 14 to 15 people have joined. And I want to know a little bit of information also from your side. I can see Harika has joined, and Kiran Kumar, Shreya, Rohit, Vishwa. Okay, so many people have joined. Okay, so I just want a little bit of information from your side also. What I'm looking is your name and what is your education qualification. Are you a working professional or you a student? If you're a student, which year pass out you are? Okay, so just these details, if you can tell, it will be helpful. Okay, so you can just unmute yourself. I have given an option for you to unmute. Okay, so you can just unmute yourself and tell your details one by one. So who want to start up first? Harika?
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, hi, good evening.
I said myself Harika. I completed my graduation BCom Computer Applications.
Yeah,
2025 passed out.
okay.
So I
Yeah,
want to do this course for the fresher. I think
yeah,
so.
okay.
I was a student.
Yeah. Okay,
Thank you.
fine. Okay. So nice, Harika. Very good. Thank you. So next, let's go to Donald. Okay. So, or Kiran Kumar. Yeah. You can just unmute yourself and tell your details. Kiran Kumar.
Hi, this is Kiran. So I
Yeah.
have
Hi.
8 years of experience. So I want
Yeah.
to change my technology. So that's why.
Okay. Okay. So like you're looking for a Python full stack, right, Kiran?
Yes, right.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. Good. Thank you. Okay. Next, let's go to Monica.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Hi, Monica. Good evening. Little bit louder, Monica. Voice is
Yeah.
little bit slow.
Okay, sir. I'm Monica from Khammam.
Yeah.
I was graduated in 2025
Yeah.
and I'm a fresher, sir.
Okay. So graduation means BTech. You are
Yes, sir. BTech EC branch.
ECA branch. Okay. Very good. Thank you, Monica. Okay. Next,
Thank you.
let's go to Narendra.
Sir, good evening, sir. This is
Yeah.
Narendra.
Hi.
I am
Yeah.
currently
Hi.
BTech third year
BTech third year.
at
Which
Kakinada,
which
sir.
branch? Which branch, Narendra?
Yeah, artificial intelligence, sir. AI.
AI. Okay. Okay.
AI.
Fine. Very okay. Good, Narendra. Thank you. Next, let's go to yeah. Ready. Or we can go to Naveen. Yeah. Naveen.
Yes, sir. My name is
Yeah.
Sasma Kumar. My qualification is degree D.Com Computers Application. And my
Which year?
transfer is recently 2026.
2022.
2026.
2026. Okay, Naveen. Fine.
Ah,
Thank
yes, sir.
you. Yeah. Okay. Good. And Arya Prasad. I think Arya Prasad just joined. You want to tell your details, Arya Prasad? Your education? Are you working professional? Okay, I think he just joined. So we can go to Pavani. Sorry, not Pavani, Pavan Sai.
Sir.
Yeah, hi
Hi
Pavan.
everyone. My name is Pawan Sai. I just finished my first year of my engineering okay, at CSC Geetam University, Hyderabad. I'm
Okay.
studying CSC core. I'm currently in my holidays, so I'm learning full stack with Python.
Yeah. Okay, that's good, Pavan. Thank you. Okay, next to Praveen. Okay, Praveen. So I think some problem. Gangotri.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yes, Praveen.
Myself Praveen Mane. I have
Yeah.
completed my BCA in 2014.
Okay.
Uh, but I am working as a lab assistant in engineering college.
Okay.
So I want to do course.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Good, Praveen. Thank you. Okay, then we have Reddy.
Yeah, hello.
Dastagiri Reddy.
Yeah, Ramdastgiri. Hi, good evening all. My name is
Yeah, hi.
Ramdastgiri. So,
Okay.
currently I'm working as a Oracle Fusion HCM functional consultant with Oracle. So I'm having total 14 years of experience.
Okay.
10 years is in operations side and 4 years is into IT side related to Oracle as a functional consultant in Oracle.
Okay. Okay, good. And what is the reason of learning Python full stack now? Ready?
Related to going to Gen AI and agentic AI. So all my
Okay.
applications is going to move to this one AI only. So
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. That's fine. Good. Thank you. Okay. Then next we have Vikas. Vikas Kumar. Okay, Vikas, little bit louder. Your voice is little bit slow.
The name Vikas Kumar.
Yeah, Vikas. Continue.
Sir, continue to
Python, I am new student for this.
Okay. So, so your which year pass out, Vikas?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Password.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you. Then Shreya. Okay, then we have Shreya and Vishwa, Sendil Kumar. Okay, fine. Yeah, Shreya, continue.
Good evening, sir. My name is Shreya Kr. I am final year BE in Electronic and Communication Engineering student from the 2026 batch. I choose Python full stack development with the AI because it is enabled me build complete web application and integrate intelligent features that are highly in demand and future oriented, sir.
Okay, that's good, Shreya. Okay, thank you. Then Bhuvanagiri, Harika. Harika, I think you completed.
Yes, I'm completed, sir.
You completed. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, fine, guys. Nice. And those people who is having mic problem, you can just message me your details in the chat box. Okay, no? So basically, your name, education qualification, which year pass out. Okay, no? Okay, good. Thank you. All right. So today, this is the first session for your batch. Okay, and as part of this first session on Python full stack, let us discuss how Python is different from other programming languages. Okay, so in the market, we have so many programming languages like C, C++, Java, .NET, isn't it? So how Python is different from other programming languages, and also with Python, what kind of projects we can develop, and most important, what are the jobs? So what are the jobs which are available for Python right now in the market? So all these points we will discuss today. Okay. So the first programming language that came in the market is a C language. So C is a very famous programming language that got introduced in 1970s, around 73, 74 at the time C language got introduced. Okay. So, but C language, it has got some drawbacks, some limitations are there. Like in C language, there is no data security, no code reusability, some problems are there with the C language. To overcome those problems, C++ came in the market. Okay. So C++, we call it as an extension of C language because C++ will solve all the drawbacks of C. Okay. How C++ can solve all the drawbacks of C language? Because C++ is a what kind of language? It is a object-oriented programming language. Okay. And what is meant by object-oriented programming language means any language mainly if it follows four concepts. Number one, abstraction. Number two, encapsulation. Number three, inheritance. And number four, polymorphism. So any language mainly if it follows these four concepts, that language we call it as the object-oriented programming language. Some people they say classes and objects as object-oriented concepts, but these 2 points it will come in encapsulation only. So that is why I'm not telling us separate points. Okay. Now, what is abstraction, encapsulation that we are not going to discuss today? So this is our just introduction class. In coming classes, we will discuss one topic by name OOPS concepts. So there we will discuss in detail along with examples what is inheritance, polymorphism, everything. Okay. Next, after C++, Python programming language also got introduced in the market in 1989-90 at the time Python got launched. Okay. And Python is also what kind of language? It is also object-oriented language. That means Python also follows these four concepts: abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Okay. Now the point here is, if C++ is an object-oriented, if Python is also object-oriented, then why we need Python in the market? That is a question. Yes or no? So we have to think from project's point of view. Okay. Mainly, With C and C++, we can develop system programs. What is meant by system program? A program that executes on one particular machine. Okay, for example, if we take operating system. Operating system, if we install on one laptop, we can execute from same laptop only. Yes or no? So operating system, antivirus softwares, calculators. So these are the examples of system programs. If we want to develop these kind of system programs, we have to go for C and C++ as technologies. Okay. Then what about Python? With Python, what kind of applications we can develop? So with Python, mainly we can develop these different types of applications and softwares. So what are these? Let us quickly see one by one. Okay. First one, by using Python, we can develop standalone applications. So standalone applications are nothing but just system programs, what we discussed just now, right? So for standalone applications, we don't need any internet connection, no client server architecture, nothing will be there. For example, if we take MS Office, in order to execute, do we need any internet connection, any client server? Nothing is required. So these applications, we call them as standalone applications. And these applications, they are also called as desktop applications. Both are same. So if we want to develop this kind of standalone applications, yes, with Python, we can develop. And apart from that, with Python, we can develop web applications also. So what is a web application? Any application that runs on internet with client server architecture. So those kind of applications, we call it as a web applications. And examples are many. So like hdfcbank.com, iccibank.com. To give a very common example, which we all use, is IRCTC. Isn't it? After this COVID came, we started using so many web applications, right? From shopping, eating, making payments, everything online, learning, everything we are doing online. Yes or no? So these are the examples of web applications. And if we want to develop these kind of web applications, yes, we can use Python there also. Okay. And by using Python, we can develop data analysis and visualization tools. This is important point. So what is data analysis and visualization tools means? Let me give you one real-time example. Okay. Suppose if you take any shopping mart like DMart. So DMart management, okay, so they want to know last month which product sales were more, which product sales were less. So they want this information so that they can provide some offers. Okay. If we put all our Excel data, if we show to them, so to the DMart management people, they will take so much time to understand that. Yes or no? So instead of showing all the Excel data to them, if we show all the data in the form of graphs, in the form of charts, so they can understand all these graphs and charts very easily within less time, and they can take decisions accordingly. Yes or no? So like this, if you want to develop this kind of visualization tools, these graphs, these charts and all those things, we can use Python there also. In order to develop this kind of analysis and visualization tools, so there are tools like Tableau, Power BI. So we can use these tools and develop this kind of visualization tools. Okay. Next. Python, it is mainly used in machine learning and AI applications also. So we are listening a lot, right? AI is coming in the market. Artificial intelligence is coming in the market, isn't it? So machine learning and AI, actually, they are related to each other, isn't it? So what kind of applications that we can develop by using AI and ML is, so applications related to voice recognition, image recognition, predictions. So human beings interacting with the applications. Okay, so these kind of applications we can develop by using machine learning and AI. Okay, so for example, if the word machine learning itself is saying, right, we are making machines to learn something so that they can do some action on their own. Okay. So previously, by using AI and machine learning, so we have developed robots. So we human beings, with robots, we can interact with them. We can talk to them. Yes or no? So if we ask any question to robot, hello, how are you? It will reply to us, I'm good. How are you? Yes or no? So these kind of robots we have developed by using AI and ML in the past. Now, what is the trend? By using AI and ML, so we can develop those kind of applications and softwares where human beings can talk with applications. I can talk with applications. I can talk with softwares. Okay, let me give you one real-time example. Okay, so nowadays, if you want to book Indian railway tickets, we use IRCTC, most of us. In order to log into IRCTC, what we do, we enter a ID, password, then we click on submit button with our hand. Yes or no? But in coming days, we can expect IRCTC, if we add AI feature to that IRCTC, so if we keep just IRCTC app in front of our face, it will identify our image and it will log in automatically. No need to enter any ID or password with hand, not required. Okay, and suppose if you want to book any ticket, now what we are doing in IRCTC, we are selecting from station to station, date, quota, and then clicking on submit button. But in coming days, for IRCTC, if we add AI feature, so if you want to book a ticket, I can give some commands to IRCTC. Voice commands I can give. I can tell IRCTC, you book a ticket for me. Then based on our voice commands, it will identify our voice commands. Then what it will do? It will do a search. If tickets are available, it will inform us, confirm tickets are available. Can I book? If we tell yes, it will book the tickets also. So these kind of applications we can expect more in coming days. Okay, no, and if we want to develop those kind of AI and machine learning applications, compulsory Python is required. Okay, so not only Python, in AI and ML field, not only Python, we can use Java also. We can use R, another programming language is there, and we can use Python also. Among all of them, Python is preferred more in AI and ML field because the simplicity of the code. So the code that we will write with Python will be little bit less when compared to Java. Suppose for Java, if we write the 10 lines of code with Python, we can just complete within 1 line of code. So because of this feature, so Python is preferred more in the field of AI and ML. Okay. Next, by using Python, we can automate so many tasks which are being done manually. Okay, for example, so nowadays we are listening, right? Many companies they are actually doing layoffs. Few companies they are doing layoffs. Yes or no? So if you see the details, which companies they are doing layoffs, okay, mostly people related to those people who are doing all the tasks manually, like BPOs people or call center people or people who are working on networking side, those who are doing all the tasks manually. So those kind of people are getting laid off. Okay. So for example, um, if you take any BPO or call center, so what they will do if they want to gather our information, so they will take out the Excel sheet and store all the data. Okay. And if they want to take a backup, so they will save it somewhere. So all these manual tasks, we can do automation. So, if a human being takes almost 3 to 4 hours to complete this manual task, okay, if you develop a Python program, all this task, it can be done just within 5 to 10 minutes. And nowadays, companies, they are looking for this kind of automation programmers. Task automation programmers they need. And if you want to develop this kind of task automations, compulsory Python is required. Yes or no? Next. By using Python, we can develop Internet of Things related applications also. Shortcut, we call them as IoT. So IoT is something which is related to smart devices, which we use in our homes, right? Like our refrigerators or ACs, we can operate them with apps, mobile apps. If you want to develop those kind of apps, yes, we can use Python there also. And cyber security tools also we can develop. So nowadays we are using so many web applications, online applications. So there is always a security problem. So we are listening in the news also, right? So this website, this application got a cyber attack. So this application got hacked. Yes or no? So to protect all these applications from security point of view, cyber security is required. And to develop those kind of tools, yes, Python can be used there also. And most important is APIs, full form, application programming interface. So nowadays, APIs are being used in many applications and many websites. Okay, what is an API? Means by using API, we can make two different applications and two softwares to interact with them so that data exchange can take place. Okay, for example, let me give you one real-time example. So if we want to book ticket, railway ticket, nowadays we all use IRCTC. So we can log into IRCTC, we can check the tickets, availability, prices, everything. Same ticket booking I can do from Paytm also. So I can log into Paytm, I can check the tickets, their availability, their prices, everything. Yes or no? So how come this tickets related data, it is related to IRCTC? So how can this data we can see in Paytm? Yes or no? So it is because of these APIs only. So in Paytm, if we make a search for any Indian Rail IRCTC data, so what this Paytm will do, it will make a API call to IRCTC. Then IRCTC, it will send the data to Paytm. So this kind of data exchange, if we want to do between applications and softwares, compulsory APIs are required. And to develop APIs, we can develop by using Python. So not only Python, if you want to develop APIs, we can develop by using Java also. Okay. Next, so with Python, we can develop blockchain and cryptocurrency applications also. So those people who are doing trading, they might be aware. So there is a currency like Bitcoin, so which we can use for trading purpose. So blockchain is something related to the technology. Okay, if we want to develop those kind of blockchain applications, there also we can use Python. And important is cloud-based applications. So nowadays, every company, so they are having one cloud server. So previously, companies, they used to have a local server to put their applications on their servers. But nowadays, every company, so they are looking for cloud server. So they want to put the applications on cloud server. We have so many cloud servers in the market, right? We have AWS, Azure, GCP, Google Cloud. So what is the advantage of cloud servers is if we put our applications and data on cloud server, we can access this data remotely from anywhere. And it is also cost effective also, less price. Okay, no? So like if we want to develop any such applications related to cloud servers with Python, we can develop. And your course includes AWS Cloud Server also. Okay, no? Next, with Python, we can develop chatbots and virtual assistants. So this is also important. So nowadays, in every website, most of the websites, if you see, chatbots will open for us. Okay, so what is this chatbots? Means we human beings, we can interact with applications in the form of a chat message. So for example, if we take ChatGPT, it's a chatbot. So we will type some chat message in the ChatGPT, then it will reply to us in the form of some messages, in the form of chat. Yes or no? So nowadays, chatbots are everywhere. So for example, previously, if I have any problem with my bank account, what we used to do, we used to call to customer care. Then they will take all our details. Then they will try to fix our issue. Yes or no? But nowadays, if you have any problems with any bank, we don't have to call any customer care. Directly, we can open their chatbot. Then whatever problem we have, issue we have, we can send in the form of a chat. Then resolution issue will be resolved. Okay. So let me show you quickly one example. Suppose I have some problem with the HDFC bank account. Okay. So what I can do, simply I can open the chatbot. So here on the top, can you see ask EVA? So it's a chatbot. Okay. So now I want some information related to home loan calculator. Okay. So now I'll message one chat. So now this application, what it is doing based on my chat, it is trying to reply something to me in the form of a chat message. See, it gives some information. Now suppose if I give some more details, then again it will reply to me with some chat message. So like these human beings, what we are doing, we are interacting with applications in the form of a chat message. So this we call it as a chatbots. If we want to develop this kind of chatbots, compulsory Python is required there. Okay. And also with Python, we can develop virtual assistants also. Virtual assistants applications. So what is meant by virtual assistants means we can interact with applications in the form of voice commands, not in the form of chats. Some voice commands we can give. Okay. So we already have this feature in Google also, right? Google Voice Assistant, where we can give some commands to Google Voice Assistant and it will reply to us in the form of voice commands, isn't it? So let me show you this example also related to virtual assistant. Okay. So there is one example related to this. I want to show you that voice assistant. So let me just execute this and show you. Voice assistant. How can I help you, Afroz? Can you open Google for me? Can you open IRCTC for me? Not now. No, thanks. Okay. So here, what has happened? I have interacted with this application in the form of voice commands. So when I told to open Google, it has opened Google for me. Yes or no? So when I told to open IRCTC, it has opened IRCTC for me. And if I tell to book a ticket, it will book a ticket also for me. So like this, we can interact with this kind of applications. If those kind of applications, we call them as voice assistants. If we want to develop those kind of applications, compulsory Python is required. Okay, no? Next, with Python, we can develop mobile apps, gaming apps, all these things we can develop, and also web scraping application. This is also a little bit new, web scraping applications. So what is meant by web scraping application means? So if you use web scraping, so one website, it will connect to different other websites, it will gather the data and it will show it in a single website. Okay, for example, suppose I want to buy, I'm planning to buy some new car. Okay, so I'm looking for two companies, Tata company one and Mahindra company another one. Now I want to look for the models in Tata company. What I'll do? I'll log into Tata website and check their models and prices. And if I want to look to Mahindra company, then I'll log into their website, check their models and prices. Instead of logging to two websites, I can log into one website by name cardekho.com. Okay. So in this cardekho.com, what we will do, we will provide models like I'm looking for a Mahindra company, this model, Tata company, this model. If you provide these details, then this cardekho.com single website, it will connect to 2 to 3 different websites. It will gather the data and it will show it in a single website. So that the user, he doesn't have to log into three websites. Yes or no? So this is possible by using web scraping. So if you want to develop this kind of web scraping applications also, Python is required. So even this feature is there in insurance related thing, policybazaar.com. Yes or no? So same concept. There also web scraping is used. Okay. Next, by using Python, we can develop different audio video applications also. Okay. So like we have YouTube. So it's the audio video applications, right? So those kind of applications also we can develop by using Python. Okay. So since Python is used in different types of applications, softwares, different domains, so that's the reason the number of jobs are always more when compared to Python or when compared to other technologies. Okay. So if you know anybody who is working in any IT company, so you can check with them. So you can ask how many projects are going on on Python, on Java, on .NET, on C and C++. You can check them. So he should be some senior person, project manager level. So definitely the number of projects he will tell more for Python and Java when compared to other technologies. Okay. In case if you want to check online, so we can check online also. Okay. So we know this famous website, right? Naukri.com. So now here what we will do is let us give skills as a .NET. So roughly we are checking. Okay. So let us give us .NET. So we are not going to select any experience, any location. Let's do a search. So what number it is showing for us? Some 15,025 jobs. Roughly, let us take as a 15K. So for .NET, we can see some 15K jobs roughly. Okay, that includes freshers and experienced people. Now let us do a search for Java. Let's see what number it will show. So it is showing 33,669. Again, this number may not be 100% correct. So roughly, let us take for Java 33K, 33,000. Okay. Now let's do a search on. Okay. So let's do a search on Python. Okay. Yeah. So Bankar Mohanty, if you are raising hand, you have to wait for some time. Let me first give some explanation. Afterwards, in the last, I'll take if you have any questions. Okay. No? So you can raise, you can down your hand. Okay. Okay. Now let's do a search on Python. So now let's see how many jobs it will show. So 1,94,755. So this number also may not be 100% correct. Okay. So let us remove the change. Roughly, let us take as for Python 1,94K. 94,000. Where is 15K? Where is 33K? Where is 1,94,000? Can you see how much huge difference is there in jobs? So these many jobs are there for Python. It means those many projects are going on in IT companies on Python or not. In IT companies, if they don't have Python requirement, why they will post ad in this kind of websites? So private companies, if they don't have any work, simply they will hire the people from the market and keep it in their company without any work. No private company will do. Yes or no? So definitely in their companies, they have a requirement for Python. And that's the reason they have posted ads in these kind of websites for Python people. Yes or no? So from this number also, we'll get some idea how many projects are going on in IT companies on Python. Okay. Fine. So this is little bit information related to with Python, what kind of applications and softwares that we can develop. Okay. Now, if you learn Python, what are the different fields that you can enter into? So what job you'll be getting? Okay. If you learn Python, you can go as a Python programmer, hardcore Python programmer you can become, or you want to go towards data analyst side, data analyst. Okay, you can go as a data analyst engineer also, or you want to become a web programmer. So you can go towards web programmer field also, or you want to enter into AI field. Okay, so machine learning, AI, artificial intelligence compulsory. Python knowledge is required, or you want to go towards DevOps side. So compulsory there also Python scripts are knowledge is required for automating, and then you want to go towards testing side. So automation testing nowadays for automation testing people Python they are asking. So like this, these are the different fields where you can enter into. So if you learn Python, okay. Now I want to show you the syllabus for Python full stack. Okay. So this is a Python full stack AI course. So it is a training plus a internship program. Okay. So mainly in Python full stack, it contains Python programming, then frameworks, so generative AI, then how to automate the task, SQL, all the front-end technologies, again, data structures and algorithm, DSA for freshers in AWS Cloud Server. So these are the topics mainly. If we go in detail, so in Python, so we'll be discussing starting all the Python features, identifiers, data types, OOPS concepts, okay, and exception handling, okay. So all these things we will discuss. And then libraries, okay. So we have NumPy library, which is mainly used related to arrays. So that also we are going to discuss. And pandas. So this is mainly related to perform read-write operations on different files. And also matplotlib. So just now we were discussing data visualization, right? So how to create graphs, charts, bars, histograms, pie charts, all that we are going to discuss. Okay. And DSA, data structures and algorithms, is also part of your syllabus. So this is required for freshers. And if you are applying, if you are a fresher, and if you are applying job for an MNC, so DSA knowledge is required. And this is not required for working professionals. So they need to concentrate more on the project. Okay. And if you're a fresher also, if you're not applying for an MNC and if you're trying for a startup company, okay, so their DSA knowledge is not required. Okay, only MNCs when you apply, so DSA knowledge is required. Okay, I would advise you people, okay, so to prefer startup companies than applying for MNCs. Okay, because in startup companies we can learn so many things which we will not get a chance in MNC. Okay. So those who are already working here, so already you might be having this knowledge, isn't it? So in DSA, we were going to discuss tags, queues, okay, graphs, trees, searching algorithm, sorting, everything we are going to discuss. Okay. And SQL is very, very important. You go to any job, any technology, okay, SQL is compulsory required. Okay. So as part of the SQL, DDL, DML, joins, okay, index, clauses, okay, so procedures, functions, cursors, okay, all these things we are going to discuss. And then front-end technologies like HTML, how to design web pages, how to design registration forms. Okay, so iframes, all these layouts, all this we are going to discuss. Okay. And CSS to style the HTML web pages very attractive. So we have to use the CSS related properties. So this is also there. And JavaScript. So to develop mainly dynamic web pages, so we have to learn JavaScript. So in JavaScript, all this we are going to discuss. Important is DOM. Okay, so that is also is there. And then React.js is part of your syllabus. So with React, we can develop reusable UI components. So how to develop those things, what is JSX? Hooks is very important. So all that we are going to discuss. And React with integration with Bootstrap, React integration with CSS. So we are going to discuss. And coming to Python frameworks. So we have Python database connectivity related to database. So in that we are going to discuss these points. And Django framework is part of your syllabus. So what is MVT architecture, how we can develop web applications. Okay, all that we are going to see. And REST APIs, just now we were discussing APIs, right? So they are nothing but REST APIs only. So what is API, how to develop? So all that we are going to see. And Fast API is also very latest. So if you want to make a Python application to interact with AI, so Fast API is required. Okay. So this is also part of the syllabus. And coming to AI concepts. Okay. So what are the AI concepts which is included is, so we are going to discuss what is AI, machine learning, deep learning, NLP. So what is prompt engineering, types of prompts, LLM models. Okay. So AI architecture, differences between Gen AI, agentic AI. So with how we can send the prompt to LLM models, how these LLM models will send it to AI tools like ChatGPT, how they will send the response. So all that example also we are going to see. Okay. So AI concepts are included. And GitHub and AWS Cloud Server, as I said, no. And tools like all the Anaconda, all those things are part of the syllabus. Okay. So this course, okay, so it is a training plus internship program, meaning The course duration is for 4 months. Okay. But daily classes would be from Monday to Thursday only. Okay. So classes, whatever the topics which we have discussed just now, so those the explanation, it will be from Monday to Thursday only. Okay. And Friday till and Saturday, so you will be working on internship. Okay. So internship means we have a client company with us. Okay. So you'll be working for that company. Let me show you their website. Okay. Cricon Solutions. So this is our one of the client company. So you'll be doing an internship program with this company. Okay. And it is an online. So daily you need to join in the meetings. Then you need to update. So by using agile methodology. Okay. So you need to develop the project. Okay. So this will go on 2 days, that is Friday and Saturday. Okay. So classes would be from Monday to Thursday, and parallelly you will be doing internship program from Friday to Saturday. Okay. So a few points I want to tell here. So here practicals and lab is compulsory. Since you are associated with the internship, okay. So practicals and lab, everybody has to do. So how practicals will happen here is, so for online people, so once explanation is over, so at your home, you have to do the programs. And if you have any errors, anything, next day, you have to share your screen, show me the errors, I'll fix the errors. So like this, practicals and lab, everybody has to do so that you can do the internship program very well. Then assignments. I'll be giving you assignments to improve your coding skills. Assignments everybody has to do. After doing assignments, I'll give you one email ID. To that email ID, you have to send all your programs, all your assignments. So daily, I'll be checking your emails. I'll be replying also to your emails. Okay. Then I'll be conducting exams also. Okay. So you people have to write exams also. And mock interviews. Okay, so mock interviews also will be conducted. So all the students, so online people, so mock interviews they will give to increase the confidence. Okay, so let me just show you. So like this, a few batches. So they'll be giving mock interviews. So to increase the confidence. Okay. And then you will be doing a real-time project. On capstone project, we will be doing. Okay. And this project you can keep in your resume also. Those who want to try job. Okay. So this you can keep it in your resume. And in the interview, you can very neatly explain about this project. Okay. Because who is doing this project? You people. So these are not ready-made projects. We don't provide any ready-made projects here. Okay. So this project you will be doing. And in the interview, interviewer ask any questions. So you can show him the live presentation also. So what you can do is before you go for the interview, you put your project on the AWS cloud server, start the server, then you go to the interview. If you ask any questions related to project, you open your mobile. Okay, one link will come to your mobile. So you click on that and show him the live presentation. You can tell, sir, this is the way it connects from front end to back end. So this is the database code I have written. Show him a live presentation. So he'll not be impressed. Definitely he should be impressed. Okay, no? So like this, all these things will be going on parallelly along with your classes. Okay? Fine. Okay. And after your course is completed, okay, placements will be started. So placements are also included. Okay. So here, actually the course fee is 30K. Okay. But because of our 22nd anniversary celebration, so the course fee is 5K. Okay. So as part of this full stack Python course, So you just have to pay 5K. So in that, full training will be provided, whatever we have discussed, no? All the topics will be covered, and placements are provided in that, and internship also. So you don't have to pay anything for internship and all. Okay. And real-time project. Okay. Everything is provided as part of this course. Okay. So daily classes will be in the evening. Okay. So same time. And as I said, no, the duration is for 4 months. And if you want to complete the course little bit fast, so you can attend parallelly two batches also. Suppose uh, Python is going in one batch, HTML is going another batch, so you can attend Python also, HTML also. Similarly, SQL is going in one batch, so you can attend SQL also, Python also. So parallelly, you can complete, you can attend both the batches, so that the course can complete little bit fast for you. Okay. Yeah. Any questions? Anybody? I want to take now. Any doubts? Any clarifications? Those who want to ask anything, you can just raise hand, not as a group. Yeah. Mohanty. या शुभंकर मोहंती कुछ पूछना है आपको?
हेलो।
या हाय।
हाँ हाय। दिस एक्चुअली मैं बोल रहा था कि मैं नॉन टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, ठीक है।
हम्म।
तो इतना अकॉर्डिंग जीरो नॉलेज है, तो क्या ये बेसिक से हमको सिखाया जाएगा?
बिल्कुल बेसिक से सिखा जाएगा। आपका क्वालिफिकेशन बताना थोड़ा।
हाँ, बीकॉम। बीकॉम और
बीकॉम।
मास्टर्स भी किए हैं।
अच्छा ठीक है। कौन सा ईयर?
बीकॉम मेरा ऑलरेडी 2018 का बैच था।
और मास्टर्स?
मास्टर्स 2020।
हाँ ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, तो आप बिल्कुल सीख सकते हो। पाइथन इतना सिंपल है, नॉन टेक्निकल पीपल ही ज्यादा सीखते हैं, नॉट ए प्रॉब्लम। ठीक है, स्क्रैच से सीखा जाएगा। ठीक है। ओके।
और actually, जो पता तो मेरा एयरटेल था।
आप
वो
आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा
हमको
है।
मिल सकता है क्या?
मोहंटी आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है, क्या बोल रहे हो?
हेलो।
हाँ हाँ।
हेलो।
आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है।
हाँ। हेलो। हेलो।
ठीक है, आप हाँ एक काम करो ना, आप मैसेज करो, आई
हेलो।
रिप्लाई टू यू।
अब मैं
ठीक है शुभंकर।
एक्चुअली मतलब नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब करने के लिए।
हाँ ठीक है, फिर बोलो ना, वॉइस कट हो रहा है आपका।
जी।
ठीक है। सो he's got some problem with his signal. ठीक है, I'll come back to you शुभंकर, मैं फिर आपसे बात करता हूँ। Let me take questions from other people also. Yes, any other question, anybody? कुछ doubts, any
जी जी।
clarification? So if you're comfortable, you can ask in Telugu also, not a problem. మీరు తెలుగులో కూడా అడగొచ్చు, no problem. Okay, I'm getting some chat messages. How to attend classes to make the course fastly? So we have to pay or within 5,000? No, you have to pay only 5,000, Harika. So you don't have to pay anything other thing. So if you want to attend parallelly to two batches, same amount. There's nothing extra you have to pay. That's it. Okay, no? Then Pavan Sai. So do we get paid for internship or it will be experience? It is only experience internship, Pavan. So payment will not be there. Okay. Yeah. Next, any other question? If you're comfortable in Telugu, so మీరు తెలుగులో కూడా అడగొచ్చు, నాట్ ఏ ప్రాబ్లం। अगर कोई हिंदी में पूछना चाह रहे तो पूछ सकते हो आप लोग। And one more thing I want to tell, So recordings will be provided daily in case if you're not able to attend any class on any day, daily recordings will be provided, and the material also will be provided. All the soft copies, it will be provided on Telegram channel. Okay. Some people they have joined a little bit late, like Mohan Rao and yeah. Any questions? Anybody is having any doubts? You can ask. Okay. So daily class timing is same. Okay, 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock is your class timing. Yeah, Rohit. Yes, 5,000 amount. Yeah, it has to be paid one time. Okay, no, there is no installment for this. Okay, one time.
Hi,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, hi.
ఇది ఇప్పుడు క్లాడ్ ఇవన్నీ వస్తున్నాయి కదండి. అంటే డైరెక్ట్ మనం ఏమన్నా డిఫాల్ట్ గా అవన్నీ అవే డెవలప్ చేస్తున్నాయి కదా అప్లికేషన్స్.
అవును.
సింగిల్ ప్రాంప్ట్ తోటి. అంటే ఫ్యూచర్ లో అలా ఏమన్నా ఉంటుందా?
అంటే
అంటే
ఇప్పుడు
నేను
మనము
కూడా-
ఏంటి మీ డౌట్ కిరణ్ చెప్పండి. ఏ టూల్స్ ఇప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్ గా జనరేట్ చేస్తున్నాయి, అదా డౌట్ మీది?
అవును
ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు మనము ఈ కోర్స్ వల్ల ఏదైనా యూజ్ అవుతుందా అంటారు, అదే కదా పాయింట్?
అవును
ఓకే, గుడ్. ఓకే, సో కంపల్సరీ కంపెనీలో జాయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత అందరూ ఏ టూల్స్ యూజ్ చేయాల్సిందే. అన్ని కంపెనీస్ ఇప్పుడు మనం న్యూస్ లో కూడా చూస్తున్నాము, ప్రతి కంపెనీ అందరు ఎంప్లాయీస్ కి చెప్తుంది ఏ టూల్స్ కంపల్సరీ యూజ్
हेलो सर।
యా, హలో
हेलो सर। हाँ
मोहन टी।
सर, एक्चुअली मेरा इवनिंग के टाइम में। जी जी।
ठीक है, तुम थोड़ी देर
हेलो।
रुक जाओ, मैं तुमको बाद में बात करता हूँ। ठीक है, मैं पहले दूसरों से बात कर रहा हूँ। ओके,
अच्छा। ओके 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 सर, ओके सर।
ठीक है। या आई वांट टू टॉक टू किरण। ओके, okay. So in IT companies, definitely all the companies they are saying their employees to use AI tools. By using AI tools, yes, we can generate websites and all. Okay, but like if everything if we depend on AI, so if any customization in the project if it comes as a programmer, we cannot do anything because we will not have any knowledge on the programming. ఓకే, సో మనం ఒక ఏఐ టూల్ కి చాట్ జీపీటీకి ఒక వెబ్సైట్ క్రియేట్ చేయమని చెప్పొచ్చు, మనం అది చేసిద్ది. సపోజ్ దానికి నేను మోడిఫికేషన్ చేయాలి, సో సమ్ ఫాంట్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయాలి, నేను బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ చేంజ్ చేయాలి, సో అదంతా చేయాలంటే కాస్త మనకి నాలెడ్జ్ కావాలి కదా. సో ఏ
Yes.
ట్యాగ్స్ యూస్ చేస్తాము, ఎక్కడ యూస్ చేస్తాము, కస్టమైజేషన్ కోసం కస్టమైజేషన్ కంపల్సరీ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ నాలెడ్జ్ కావాల్సిందే. అట్లీస్ట్ కంపెనీలో ఎంటర్ అవ్వాలంటే సో ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ కదా ఫర్ ఫ్రెషర్స్. ఓకే, సో ఇప్పుడు ఆఫ్ క్యాంపస్ మీరు కిరణ్, ఐ థింక్ యూఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ప్రొఫెషనల్, నో కిరణ్?
Yes, yes, right.
Okay, so if I take like freshers pay also, if they want to clear the interview, so for second round, third round, they have programming, ఆన్లైన్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు మన ఇన్ఫోసిస్ ఆఫ్ క్యాంపస్ డ్రైవ్ పెట్టింది, సో దానికి మనం వాళ్ళు క్లియర్ అవ్వాలంటే సెకండ్ రౌండ్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ ఉంది. సో దాంట్లో జావా ఉంది, హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ ఉంది, పైథాన్ ఉంది. సో దే షుడ్ డెఫినెట్లీ హ్యావ్ ది నాలెడ్జ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్. కంపెనీలో చేరిన తర్వాత ఎస్ ఎవ్రీబడి విల్ బి యూజింగ్ ఏఐ టూల్స్, బట్ స్టిల్ వీ కెనాట్ 100% ట్రస్ట్ ఏఐ టూల్స్, రైట్? సో ఏ టూల్ కొద్ది పార్ట్ మాత్రమే మనకి యూజ్ చేయగలం. ఓకే,
Yeah.
సో సపోజ్ వెబ్సైట్ క్రియేట్ చేయవచ్చు. ఈ వెబ్సైట్ కి నేను కంప్లీట్ గా బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ క్రియేట్ చేయమంటే ఏ చేయగలదా? చేయలేదు. సో మెనీ లిమిటేషన్స్ ఆర్ దే విత్ ఏఐ టూల్స్.
Yeah.
సో దానికి కంపల్సరీగా ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ నాలెడ్జ్ కావాల్సిందే. ఓకే, ఎస్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఏ టూల్ హెల్ప్ తీసుకోవాలి, ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఉండాలి, దెన్ ఓన్లీ వీ కెన్ డెవలప్ ది అప్లికేషన్స్ అండ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ వెరీ ఫాస్ట్. బోత్ ఆర్ రిక్వైర్డ్.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Any other questions? Okay, I'm getting many chat box messages. Pawan, yes, timings will be same. Yeah. Naveen, okay. Yeah, Naveen, what's the doubt? Vishwa. Yeah, I'm the trainer, Vishwa. I think you have joined a little bit late. I'm your trainer. So I'll be taking all front end, back end, database, everything. Okay, no? Sendil Kumar. Okay. Okay. So fine then. If no doubts. So 1 second, I just want to Naveen. Okay, so 2025, 26 pass out. Okay, good, Naveen.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah. My passing year is 2014. So how we can
Okay.
tackle that gap?
Okay, tackle the gap. Okay.
Lots of career gap, no, in between.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So for this, I'll give you one number. Okay. So you can
Uh,
just take down this number. Here, they are the HR
right
people.
now I am working, but it is not relevant work, no.
Okay. So for that, I want to give one number. You can take down this number, Praveen,
Uh,
9133732225. Okay.
repeat, please.
So just call this number. Okay. So they will redirect you to
Can
the
you repeat
HR
again?
people.
Hello, sir. Can you repeat again?
Okay. So what I'm saying is you can contact this number. So they will redirect you to the HR people. Okay. So then they will advise you how you can
Hello,
fill the
number.
gap.
Can you repeat number?
So you can see on the screen.
Okay.
Okay. Let
Nine
me
one.
put in. Yeah. Let me put it in the chat box also for everyone. So if you have still any doubts related to placements or anything, questions like Praveen, so you can call to this number. Or if you want to know the registration process, everything, so you can contact
Sir,
this
these
number. Okay.
9 numbers are there.
So what did I miss? 1 second. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So they will redirect you to the HR team so you can talk to them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, fine. So if no doubts, we stop for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Same time, tomorrow, 7 o'clock. Thank you.
Thank you.